Hey, what's up, everybody? So, it's still pretty messy. I haven't gotten it completely squared away, but I didn't have a whole lot of time. But this is the new shop. This is my workspace right here. This table. Oh my God, you guys, I love this freaking table. It's huge. I love it. I can do so much stuff on this table. I have so much more room for activities. And I can bolt down my belt sanders finally. I have room to do so much stuff. I have a separate finishing room. This is going to get a little divider. I'm probably just going to get a drop cloth, like a canvas drop cloth, and put it up between the two. And I even have a separate office space that's further down, but I'm not going to show that yet because that's not even close to set up. But anyway, yeah, I'm so freaking happy that the new home of Warrior Arms and Props, y'all. It is done. I start working on in here tomorrow. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior Arms and Props. I am out.